Hi everyone, I'm Jan Diatri. Welcome to the 1 Minute Kitchen. You know, it seems like in every family there are at least one or two recipes that are family favorites that someone in the family is famous for. Or maybe it's a recipe that's been passed down from generation to generation. Or maybe you created a dish that you want your family to love for decades to come. Well, that's what my cookbook, Rescued Recipes, is all about. It is filled with heartwarming stories and great recipes from people all over the country. And I'm going to share these recipes with you right here in the 1 Minute Kitchen. Recipes like this. Sweet and simple bundles of joy. And yes, they will bring bundles of joy to your breakfast table, as they did for Nadine Tisdale when she created these simple delights for her family. Here's how she makes them. You'll need 1 container of large refrigerated crescent dough, your favorite jam or jelly, and 1 package of cream cheese. Nadine sweetens the cream cheese with just a couple of teaspoons of powdered sugar and then blends into a spreadable cream. Take the jelly and the sweetened cream cheese and spoon them into 2 piping bags. Next, roll out the dough and lay each section on a cutting board. Now find the tallest point of the triangle. That's where you'll pipe a little cream cheese, leaving some room at the top and bottom. Next, do the same thing with the jelly, piping it right on top of the cream cheese. Now take the short end of the dough and bring it over the cream cheese and jelly and pinch the bottom to seal. Now take the long side of the dough and wrap it around that sweet little bundle of joy. I think it's adorable, and wait till you try them. They are delicious. Fill your baking sheet and then pop them in the oven for about 20 minutes or until golden brown. While the bundles of joy are baking, you could make a simple glaze with powdered sugar and a little bit of milk, mixing well to combine. And here are the baked bundles. They're pretty cute, right? For the final touch, just brush the glaze over the dough. Or you can drizzle the glaze if you like, then sprinkle with a little decorative sugar. These bundles of joy are a recipe worth rescuing. You'll read all about how Nadine came up with this sweet idea in the cookbook. I think you may love the recipes and stories in my Rescued Recipe Cookbook. It's just $12.95 and it's a perfect gift for you or someone you love. Just go to jandiatri.com and order yours today, and we'll continue to share rescued recipes together.